The amount of beautiful things in your life depends on your ability to notice them. Now, let's take a moment to settle in. Begin by finding a comfortable position, allowing your body to feel at ease. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Take a deep, slow inhale through your nose, feeling the air fill your belly. Now, exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Notice how your belly expands with the inhale and how it gently contracts with the exhale. Let's do this again. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your chest to rise and your heart to open. Feel your body relax as you exhale, letting go of any lingering thoughts or worries. With each breath, you are creating space for positivity and light. Focus your attention on the gentle rhythm of your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you breathe, imagine drawing in positive energy with each inhale, filling your body with warmth and light. Now, let's visualize a beautiful scene that embodies positivity. Picture a serene meadow bathed in sunlight. Inhale deeply, imagining the fresh floral scent of the meadow filling your lungs. Exhale fully, letting go of anything that doesn't serve you. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you breathe in the beauty around you. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your heart. Inhale slowly, feeling your heart open and expand with each breath. Exhale gently, releasing any heaviness you might be carrying. Recognize the beauty that already exists within you. Let's affirm our commitment to positivity. As you inhale, think to yourself, I welcome positivity into my life. And as you exhale, let go of anything negative with the thought, I release what no longer serves me. Continue this cycle, breathing in positivity and breathing out negativity. Now, let's focus on the sensations in our bodies. Inhale deeply, noticing how your shoulders drop and relax. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension held in your jaw. Allow your body to feel lighter with every exhale. As you envision the meadow again, imagine walking through it. With each step, you feel the soft grass beneath your feet. Inhale the vibrant colors of the flowers surrounding you. Exhale, allowing any heaviness to melt away. See the sun shining brightly above you, filling you with warmth and joy. Now, Let's take a moment to practice some soft belly breathing. Place a hand on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, noticing your hand rise as your belly fills with air. Exhale gently through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Continue this soft belly breathing, feeling more connected to the positivity within you. With each breath, visualize the positivity flowing into your body, filling every cell with light and joy. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Let yourself be enveloped by this radiant energy. Let's return to our affirmations one more time. Inhale, affirming, I am a beacon of positivity. Exhale, releasing any doubt or fear. I let go of negativity. Repeat this cycle, embedding these affirmations deep within your being. Now, allow your breath to guide you to a place of deep peace. Inhale deeply, feeling the energy of positivity swirling around you. Exhale, letting go of tension and inviting calmness into your mind and body. Each breath brings you further into this space of tranquility. Imagine now that this meadow is a reflection of your inner self, vibrant and alive. Inhale, drawing in the essence of this beauty. Exhale, releasing any shadows that hide this radiance. With each breath, you are awakening to the beauty that exists within you and around you. As we start to come toward the end of this meditation, let's take a few more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Feel the lightness in your body, the positivity radiating from your heart. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling anchored in the present moment. Inhale deeply one last time. Exhale slowly, bringing a sense of gratitude for this moment of positivity. Thank you for joining this meditation, dear friend. If this meditation helped you relax, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video. And if you'd like more guided meditations, consider subscribing. Wishing you a peaceful day.